So I came out this morning, pulled the Bronco out of the garage, the Centurion out of my garage, to drive it to work, and my battery light was on. I wonder why. I need to do that one too, I guess. Yeah. So I happen to have a new belt here, but I don't have any tools. But I have to drive this to the shop. I could call a tow truck. I could call a tow truck if I wanted to. But I'm gonna try to fix it with pantyhose. Will it work? Let's find out. Since I don't have very far to go, and the power steering pump and the water pump are working, I'm just gonna go around the alternator. I don't know how well this is gonna work. I hope I don't wind up with this shit all in my alternator. Oh my god. Who was the one that ever said pantyhose would work? We're gonna try it. Here's what we ended up with. Actually, as I tightened my knot, the pantyhose pulled tighter. I actually have it wrapped twice on here. We'll see. Battery light's off. So if battery light pops back on, I'll know that it failed. So far, so good. Okay, so I'm leaving the house right now. I just fixed the truck with a pair of pantyhose on my alternator belt to get me to the shop. It's working. So at this point, what I can tell is the way my truck is set up, it's a dual belt system. One belt runs the AC, power steering, and water pump off the crank. The other belt runs the smog pump, the alternator, and the water pump. So without the alternator belt, we still have water pump, power steering, and AC. Actually bypassed the smog pump with the pantyhose that I used. I used a pair of leggings and I cut them in half, so I have an extra legging in case it were to break. Putting belts on the Bronco. Gonna do a cooling system flush. Using some of this stuff. It's supposed to be pretty badass. Salt's down here playing with the exhaust. He's cutting the exhaust off. What you doing, bro? Looking at it. So apparently we're getting exhaust also. We're going to flush the entire cooling system. We're going to drain the block and install new belts. Probably all new hoses. Looks like Scott's going to be working something up with the exhaust system. I don't know what he's doing there, why he's cutting my exhaust system off. But as long as it sounds good, I'll be down for it. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? I wonder if he's... What are you doing? Alright, sounds good. Hey, where's the old water that came out of the truck? I want to show you guys. Hold on a minute. Was you able to get any water out of the block?
No, nothing came up. I poked my poker all the way up until I hit the this outer cylinder, you know.
Uh-huh.
Don't.
There's no water came out?
No.
Huh. Did you on both sides or just one?
I just did one side. I figured.
Huh, that kind of worries me.
Yeah.
Oh no. You can see there that hose has been leaking a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna rebuild the whole front end on our next Operation Centurion rebuild. New belts, no exhaust, I guess. New mirrors. Let's see what he's doing. In the meantime, I've got all these cars in here to fix. Today we will be using Cool Flush, cooling system cleaner for vehicle and stationary systems. This is a two-part system. First part, drain the water and put the flush in. We will show you part 2 of the cleaning system in part 2 of the video. That is normally how it works. Freebird. We've got to let this idle for 30 minutes with the cap off. Hey, Chris, do that.
Is it cap off?
Yeah, it says leave the cap off for 30 minutes to an hour.
Is that what it's supposed to do? The thermostat's gotta be clogged up pretty good.
No, I just turned it off. That's just the pressure it released. Ugh.
All into a spill pan.
It's just water. Stop moving. Stop moving. There it is.
Team Freebird.
Team Freebird. So we let the truck run for about 45 minutes. You know, extra 15 minutes. Just make sure you get extra good out of it, right? So I turned it off and it burped. Look at that. That's nasty. Now, there's no harmful deposits or chemicals in that. It's mainly just water. But that's coming out. We're going to flush the system into a proper container here in a moment. Actually, Chip, as we speak, are cleaning that up. And we're going to... Oh, wait, let me get... Cut. We got the Centurion backed into the shop to weld that Flowmaster up. And we're finishing the flush on the cooling system. Watch out for those Dumbo ears. Oh, shit. I'm a little fatter than you.
The F-350 mirrors, the new F-350.
They look good though. I like them. It's my truck, not yours. Just clean, rusty water. No chemicals, no freon, no fluids. Break away from the Centurion for a moment. The driver is here with an issue with the new truck. The toolbox latch is falling apart, so he has to kind of get it tied up here to get back to the shop. So I've got to fix this real quick so we can get back on the road. was all just a dream, just a dream. Yeah. Alright, fixed it. Now I can get back to the Centurion.
What? We need a pipe to make a turn down.
Turn down for what?
We're gonna need some kind of pipe so we can make a turn down, you know?
Turn down for what?
So if you got some big pipe out there,
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I got a couple pieces of exhaust out here. I'll go out there in the scrap pile and look.
yeah, that's what we need.
Okay, cool. That's looking good. You're gonna weld that up there like
I'm
that.
gonna weld the turn down on it first, then I'm gonna weld it.
Oh yeah, so people can take a look at it.
I'm
Hang
gonna
on.
weld it just like that.
Let's go see what we
You
got.
see it?
I don't know about that. What else we got?
And cut it at that angle, you know?
Yeah. Just
Right here, and then you wanna. Well,
take your little nibbler.
that still ain't gonna be a turn down.
Nah, you know what? I just run up to
I was gonna get one.
Yeah.
Why don't you do that?
What's back there? What's back there?
Speculum?
A speculum.
I watched the doc do that the other day.
Hey, look, there's some stainless steel tubing down there.
I think well that's
No, but that is you got to scrap.
Hey, there's one right there.
Where? Where?
The perfect turn down right there.
Oh, Chip will be mad.
Hey, come here, what bro?
You mad, bro?
Last time I welded, I had another shield on. Now I'm rocking this bad boy.
Which bad boy?
This new Matco.
That's nice. Let me see that. Oh, that's right. You just got it in. Look at that beautiful design. Look at that beautiful nugget noggin.
Nugget.
Go.
And I love the open. Oh, there you go.
Then there you go.
I said, in you go.
No, I'm here. I'm in your window. I'm in your wall.
There she is. Found two more of them lights too.
Where were they?
Brand new ones. Out there, one of them.
Oh yeah, those were leftovers from the first project. She snuck up on me. She snuck up on me. Oh, that's my butt. Hey, there's something back there. What is it? It's a.
All right.
It's a valve core remover.
You're crazy.
I know.
This shit.
Do you?
Holy crap! I can fucking see.